Hey, what's up guys? I thought I would just put together a quick video of some of the things I was doing yesterday to try to improve the cost efficiency of our heating and cooling bills this winter. So in a new townhouse this year, first time seeing a gas fireplace. So didn't quite know what to do with it. So I decided I didn't want to spend all winter using gas for the fireplace. So what to do with the drafts that were coming in as a result of it being an open area that would go to the outside. So what I decided to do was to get a 4x8 foot sheet of this foam 1-inch insulation from local hardware store. I've got one right around the corner. It's 20 bucks for a 4x8 sheet. And then all you do in order to get it into your vehicle, if you don't have a truck, is to maybe cut it down to 2 4x4 foot square pieces and put it in your SUV or larger vehicle. And then all I did was, there's a frame here that I was able to utilize this frame right here, and there's about 2 inches where it has a distance from the actual framework of the fireplace. So I just cut it to fit so that it fits very tight in this frame, and it has effectively cut out all of the draft that was there before I put this in. So I think the main part of it was just kind of cutting it out and trying to fit it as snugly as I could. And then what I've also done, and I think you can see a little bit of reflection in the video, is that I put some packing tape over these lines that are in the middle. Those are score lines that, unfortunately for me, for my project, were already placed in this particular piece of foam. I think it's intended so that you can break it and put it in between beams when you're stick building a house. But I didn't want to break it in half or in pieces, so that's why I tried to reinforce it with the packing tape. Didn't take very long at all. And it's very easy to cut through. And so what I did was, now I've got an extra 4 foot by 4 foot by 1 inch piece, so I can use it as a spare for next year. I can try to recycle this one if I can get it out in one piece. What I should have done was I should have put some tabs here with the packing tape so that I could pull it out, but I didn't think to do that until after it was already in so snugly. So what I also did with part of the spare pieces is I went over here. So this is part of it's a room that we don't really use that much at all, and it's kind of cold and drafty because it has an exterior door here, sliding glass door. So what we've done is, to try to eliminate some of the draft, is put some pillows down. But then there was this seam between, it doesn't look very big on the video, but there's a seam that goes between the doors that you could feel some cold air coming in. So what I did was, I took the extra pieces and sorry for that flare, I went ahead and cut it so that it fits down the center of that crack, and just applied it with some packing tape, because as I said, we're not going to really be in this room that much, especially in the winter because it's colder in here. But it's effectively cut down on most, if not all, of that vertical seam that the cold air was coming in. And so it's been pretty effective. So for $20, I was able to not only go ahead and close up the draft that was coming in the fireplace, but also to seal up the seam for this door. And I can't help but think that we will now see, it'll be much warmer in here and hopefully have some cost savings from not having to apply as much heat to get this room to a comfortable temperature. So thanks for watching. I hope that you might try something similar to this for $20 at your local hardware store, and for about, I don't know, half hour to an hour all in of measuring it up and cutting it down. It's a pretty decent way to hopefully save some money and to keep the house more comfortable. So if you like this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe. If you have any comments, please leave those in the comment section below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.